All right, we are getting a big breaking news right now at this moment. An encounter took place between Chandigarh police and gangsters in the forests behind Zira Mandi in sector 39 of Chandigarh, during which all three accused have sustained gunshot wounds. Now, the gangsters, reportedly members of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, had been absconding after opening fire at a chemist shop in sector 32 a few days ago. So this was in response of that. Now, according to police, a crossfire ensued when the suspects who were traveling in a taxi were intercepted. Now, further details are awaited on this. So a few days before the encounter, the two shooters fired at a pharmacy in sector 32 with at least 2 rounds hitting the shop counter. Fortunately, no one was injured during that time. Now, police suspect the attack was linked to extortion demands and broader criminal planning. All right, we have Lalit with us to speak on this issue. Lalit, what are the latest details that you are getting of this encounter? Was this related to the firing that happened in sector 32 pharmacy?
A very successful tip-off the Chandigarh police has got today, and the Chandigarh crime branch today in a brief encounter with the 3 persons accused who fired at a pharmacy shop on last Friday. Now they have been arrested in the brief encounter. These are the visuals here in sector 39 where a brief encounter took place early in the morning around 6 a.m. when the Chandigarh crime branch got a tip-off, and after the tip-off, the car was intercepted here in sector 39, which is the grain market of Chandigarh. And after that, when the car was asked to stop, that time the 2 persons in the car named Rocky and Rahul openly fired in the police, and after that in the brief encounter the police shot around 3 bullets, in which the 2 persons named Rocky and Rahul got injured, who have been now further admitted in the sector 32 hospital in Chandigarh. Apart from that, if you talk about 3 persons have been arrested in this brief encounter. To make you recall, on last Friday in a pharmacy shop in sector 39, the 2 persons accused, Rahul and Rocky, openly fired on the pharmacy, and after that they demanded ransom. So police in around 4 days now, police have solved this case, and in a brief encounter today in the morning, all the 3 persons involved have been arrested. So it's a successful operation of the Chandigarh police, in which in a brief encounter 3 persons named Rahul and Rocky have been injured in a brief encounter, while 1 person have been injured after the tip-off which the Chandigarh crime branch got today in the morning. Back.
Lalit, was this a part of some coordinated operation? Because the police, Chandigarh police and Punjab police, seems to be tightening its noose against gangsters and criminals. And was it part of an effort to control the crimes that are happening in Chandigarh and around Punjab region? So, because the reaction was quite quick and successful too.
Well, yesterday, if we talk about the Punjab police have started the Operation Prahar against the gangsters. And if you talk about this operation, they got a tip-off, and it was a coordination between the Punjab and the Chandigarh police. But the main tip-off was with the Chandigarh crime branch only. And after that, when they got to know about the tip-off that the 3 persons who openly fired at the pharmacy shop, they were near the sector 39 area. So a naka was being placed, and after that they tried to intercept them. And when they tried to stop the car, that time they openly fired on the police. And after that, in a brief encounter with the police, 2 persons named Rahul and Rocky were injured, while the 3rd person have been arrested by the Chandigarh police. So it's a successful operation, as the tip-off with the Chandigarh police, especially the Chandigarh crime branch, got off. After that, this operation came into light. But if you talk about the coordination between the Punjab or the Chandigarh, yes, there was a coordination, as around 4 days before the audio which got viral, in which the ransom was being demanded, as the person who have been arrested, they are said to be of the Lawrence gang, and the pharmacy shop owner named Tanishq, who was that time present in the shop when they openly fired. He just got saved, and after that he informed the police. So a tip-off was with the
Definitely,
Chandigarh police,
definitely.
and after that all the information was shared between the Punjab and the
Definitely.
Chandigarh police. But successfully, the Chandigarh crime branch got the lead, and in which today,
Definitely, Lalit.
around-
Thanks for the details. Thanks for the details on this story. It has been a successful encounter because within days of the crime, another